For centuries, women have been seen as the embodiment of motherly love and selflessness. However, contrary to popular perception, there are numerous instances in India where women have displayed remarkable bravery and strength, single-handedly defeating much stronger opponents in battles. She was neither a queen nor one with a royal upbringing, an army commander, or a trained soldier. Instead, she was a simple housewife. This is the story of Unake Obawa, her sheer grit and her presence of mind. She is remembered for killing countless soldiers in Hyder Ali's forces while defending the Chitradurga fort of Karnataka. Let's explore. During the 18th century, the Chitradurga kingdom was ruled by the Nayaka dynasty and lay between two powerful kingdoms of Maharashtra and Mysore. The Chitradurga fort is also known as Elusutina Kote, a fort of 7 circles. Over the years, numerous monarchs have reigned over this fort, and it has been the site of many notable battles. During the rule of the last ruler of the Nayaka dynasty, Madakari Nayaka IV, Hyder Ali of Mysore decided to attack the fort. However, since the fort's walls were secure and exceptionally well built, it was difficult to breach the fortress from the outside. Due to this, Hyder Ali's army could not penetrate the fort despite numerous efforts. So, they decided to lay siege and wait. One day, they saw a person entering the fort through a narrow secret tunnel. The mouth of that tunnel was so small that only one man could crawl through it at a time. Seeing this, Hyder Ali understood that to capture the fort, he would have to send in his soldiers one by one, like moles, through the tunnel. Little did he know that they were walking straight into the jaws of death. When Hyder Ali's plan was in action and his men were crawling through this tunnel, the usual sentry of the fort had gone for lunch. His wife, Obawa, was on guard. She immediately suspected something was wrong when she heard the muffled sounds of rustling and whispering as Hyder Ali's soldiers crawled through the narrow hole. Sensing the gravity of the matter, she thought it prudent not to raise the alarm and decided to deal with it quietly, armed with nothing but her presence of mind. She picked up a wooden pestle lying nearby. A pestle used to pound paddy is called unake in the Kannada language. She noiselessly stood hidden at the hole's opening with the unake in her hand. As soon as a soldier appeared from the pit, she would strike them on the head with the unake. As soon as he died, she quietly dragged the bodies away and hid them so nobody would notice. She would then resume her position and wait for the next soldier. In this way, Obawa is said to have single-handedly killed several invading soldiers of Hyder Ali's army. Her bravery was proving more than enough for the entire contingent of soldiers. When Obawa's husband returned to the patrol after finishing his meal, he was shocked to see his wife standing with a blood-stained unake in her hand and the bodies of the enemy scattered around her. For her brave attempt, Obawa remains immortal in people's hearts. She's considered the epitome of Kannada female pride and is part of the folklore of Karnataka. The hole she was guarding and later lost her life protecting is now named Obavna Kindi in her honor. Chitradurga also has a stadium, Veer Vanithe Onake Obawa Stadium, to commemorate her legacy. The story of Onake Obawa inspires us to live our lives with courage and fortitude. In the words of Dipali Gupta, अपने साहस के दम पर अब नवल इतिहास बनाना है, बेड़ियों को तोड़कर बस आगे कदम बढ़ाना है.